would like to call the only women panel on this dais right now, Sangeeta Reddy, Joint Managing Director, Apollo Hospitals, to please share a few words for International Startup Festival. And you could continue the honor by clapping for her.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and extremely distinguished entrepreneurs on the dais and in the audience. It's a pleasure. I will follow the theme of brevity. So I'll begin by saying that I completely echo everything that Srini and Mohan Garu said. Chaudhary Garu, the startup environment, the job creation, the amazing time it is to be in India. And so it's completely, such a given. Just to highlight that, I was late today because my flight from Bombay was delayed. This is the second time in the last 3 weeks I'm being called upon to speak to the CEO of multinational companies, because they are coming into India saying, please help us understand and decipher. Your population number is amazing. The dynamic of your people is something which is incredible. How do we play? How do we support? How do we sustain? And of course, how do we make money? They all want the same thing. But so I met with this company that is in the food business but wants to get more into the medical business. I met another company that's in the dental and FMCG space that wants to get more into the medical business. So I think I'm going to spend a minute just saying that I think every startup starts with the thing of what big problem can I solve? And healthcare has lots of big problems to solve. So I invite you all to please focus your attention, your energy, your knowledge, your capability, your innovation, your passion on the healthcare sector. We have over 3 billion people in the world who do not get adequate access to care. We have technology solutions which are capable of delivering that care, but whether it's due to cost or acceptance or ease of use, whatever it is, some of the most amazing software is built in some countries, but when you look at their healthcare software, it's not very great. And there is so much that can be done, and I'm looking at the space with the Internet of Medical Things, edge computing, AI, and I just think there is so much that can be done. So let me congratulate all of you for focusing on not just job creation or personal wealth, but in making a difference to the world. And as you do that, as you go about touching lives and improving the world, I just want to commit that if you're looking at the healthcare space, Apollo Hospitals, we not only employ but and have over 10,000 beds and have grown. But one point I want to tell you about the entrepreneur who began it. He started his journey when he was 50 years old. So you don't have to be very young to start an entrepreneurial journey. You can be an entrepreneur at any stage in your life. But the time is now, and the purpose and solving a problem and making a difference is really the most important, and not compromising on the solution and the technology you use because you need to build solutions that last. Let me wish you all the very best. Congratulate Dr. Chaudhary and all the amazing people who are in this audience. Thank you and namaste.